show you how to write your NFT token in Algorand. So I'm going to do this in Go and in just a few minutes. So here is my file. I have PNG file, and I'm gonna mint this file to the testnet. Here, as you probably know, each NFTs you should have its metadata information, which is actually stored in a JSON file. And here we add the description of files, such as the artist name or author name, and its URL, its hash, if it's on IPFS, the hash of IPFS, or it's on Amazon Cloud or any other places, you got to put this link and this sort of metadata. So we are going to do this in Go. So the first part is we need to bring necessary packages to basically our environment. So here we got to bring SHA-256 for hashing of the files, and we also need base64 for SRI, and here also we bring Algorand SDKs. And now we bring basically the wait for confirmation function, which is a utility function, and it waits for the confirmation of a given transaction. Afterwards, we write the hash file function, which returns the hash of given file. Here, the file could be PNG file, or basically any artifact file you want to mint, as well as its metadata JSON file. And finally, we write our main function. The main function is the main entrance of Go file. And here, the first line, we create or generate a new account, and then we convert this address to a string, and then we ask user to basically fund this account, because we just generate that. And in order to do that, we go to dispenser, which is a testnet, and you can get free token to pay the price, and then we hash the given inputs artifact. So here is a PNG file, but you can change it with any other type of file, so it doesn't really matter. And then we get the hash of JSON file. And one important point here is, in order to create the asset, because NFT tokens, non-fungible tokens, are assets in Algorand, and because they are non-fungible, therefore you got to set total issuance to 1 and decimal to 0. And over here, by the help of Algo clients, you can create the asset, sign the transaction, and basically push your token to the network. So after finishing the coding part, you just need to go to the command line and type go run the name of the file, main Go, and press enter. And if there is any bug or something, you should see this message here. And here ask us to go to the testnet, to the dispenser, and fund our just generated accounts and pay some free algo inside of that, fund some free algo inside of that in order to pay the fees of transaction. So afterward, you just need to press enter, and then your token would be on the testnet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it informative, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like button, and write your comments in the section in the comment section below. Thank you very much, and bye bye.